Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. I have very important content today. You will see how I earn $2 in every 30 seconds in CPA marketing. There are many CPA marketing platforms, but this is the one of the best converting and payable platform. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for CPALead, then click on Affiliate Sig Up. Here you can choose to sign up with Google account or filling your details, like username and email. After complete sign up, log into your account and your dashboard will look like this. There are many offers which you can promote, and they are easily converting. Click here to modify your offer. You can select the country type like United States and then select offer type. Email submitting offer are best offer to choose. You will earn once your traffic submit the email address. And in this video, I will show you the best free traffic sources for CPA lead offers. Stick up to the end of this video without missing any step. These are earning which you can earn per each email submit, like $3.40 or like 27 cents, so you can choose any offer that you want to promote, but those offer with low amount of earning are easily converting than others with higher earn per action. In order to get your referral link, click to any offer. As you can see here, this is my offer. I will use this offer for promoting. This is my referral link, and I will earn 27 cents per each email submit. The next step is how to promote the referral link so as to convert easily. First, you need to create a land page which will look smart and shareable anywhere. Today, I will show you the best website to create a land page. Open new tab, then search for canva.com. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up, and the easy way is to sign up with Google. Here you can choose anyone, but for free user, just choose personal. After completing to create account, click on Create a Design, then choose Postal. This is the best choice to use for promotion. Here you can edit your postal by using different style. What you need to note is your post should look smart and simple. You can use among of this template and the edit it. I will create a template, then I will get back to continue. This is my template. You can make like this too. In order to attach your referral link, follow these steps, and you can put different referral link on each statement. You can increase number of offer if you wish, but should not exceed more than 5 per one postal. Once done, click on Share. Then download as a PDF. Open it to preview your postal if it looks smart. This is our postal with offer link. The next step, we are going to create promotional link for this postal. Go to googledrive.com, then upload it. Make sure you allow access for everyone that will open it. Click on Share so as to get the link of the PDF. You can shorten your link with Curtly, then customize it so as your traffic can build trust upon it. The next step, you need to get back to Canva, then create another postal which may look like this, but this time you need to download it as an image and not a PDF. We will use this image to post on our traffic sources so as they can be interested and click our link. Now, where to promote your link for your offer to convert quickly? Don't worry, today I will show you best free traffic source, where you can get real converting referral from country like United States and United Kingdom. And final step is traffic sources. Today we'll show you new best free traffic sources which I used to use, and that is Imager.com. You can promote your offer like this, and this traffic source is real work for me. Also, you can share to other social media like Facebook, Mew, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.